big dumpling and a tiny one. Oh, I could add this one. From Tesco? Let's see if I could scam her. It's very rare, this is. I could add my infinity cube, but it's very, very rare. Definitely not from Primark. Yeah. Had this bubble thing. Very satisfying. I'll add the spinning fidget spinner, but fidget. Oh my god! I'll add another infinity cube. This is the long worm. It's my weary thing. What? She took the big dumpling off. But I want the big dumpling. I want the big dumpling. What? Where's she gone?